Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade NQ on ThinkorSwim. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform or the web version and sign in as you normally would. If you're new to futures, consider practicing in a paper account first to get comfortable without risking real capital. Once you're in, head to the charting area so you can view live price action. Having the chart up makes it easier to visualize entries and place orders right from the price you're seeing. Next, move over to the trade section and open the All Products view. This is where you can search for tradable symbols and confirm contract details before placing an order. In the symbol search, type NQ. NQ represents the E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures. You'll see a list of contract months. Choose the active front month contract with the highest volume so your orders have better liquidity. After selecting it, load that contract onto your chart so you're working with the exact instrument you intend to trade. It's helpful to double-check the symbol on the chart header to avoid mistakes. When you're ready to place a trade, right-click directly on the chart around the price level you want to engage with. This opens the trading menu from the chart, which is quick and lets you anchor orders visually. From that menu, choose Buy if you expect price to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. Remember, NQ is a leveraged futures product. Each minimum tick move is 0.25 index points, and the tick value is significant, so even small price changes can have a real impact. After selecting Buy or Sell, follow the on-screen order ticket. Review your quantity carefully to match your risk tolerance. Choose your order type, limit for price control or market if you need immediate execution, and set your price and time in force. If available, consider using bracket orders to add a stop loss and a profit target at the same time, helping you manage risk and potential reward without extra clicks later. Before you send the order, confirm that the contract, side, price, and estimated buying power effect are correct. Submit the order and watch the confirmation. If it's working, you can adjust or cancel it from the orders panel. If it fills, monitor the position on your chart and in your positions panel, making adjustments as needed using the same right-click chart workflow. Take your time, review each detail on the ticket, and let the platform's prompts guide you step by step.